Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel Be Limitless. I'm Kevin with today's topic on users of accounting information. Now, today we will come to know regarding the users of accounting information. Basically, there are two types of users of accounting information. One is external user, another is internal users. External users, as you can see on the screen: lenders, consumers, investors, external auditors, government, customers. Internal users: managers, sales staff, officers, employees, internal auditors, owners. Now, investors, as we know, is an external user. Now, what is the role of investors in accounting information? They provide risk capital to the business. They need information to assess whether to buy, hold, or sell their investment. Also, they are interested to know the ability of the business to survive, prosper, and to pay dividend. So, investors are those who are putting money into the businesses. So definitely, if I am putting my hard-earned money to any of the business, definitely I would like to know the accounting important information regarding the company, whether the company is under the loss or in a better position, having profit, earning profit, or what is the stability of the company, what companies is owing to others. So before putting my money into someone else's business, definitely I would like to know the financial stability of the business. So I am, as an investor, would be the external user for the accounting information. Employees are the internal users. Basically, definitely, if I am an employee, I would like to know the financial health of my company. What are my prospects in the company? What is the financial health of the company? How much revenue of the company is, so that I will be having good future, bright future, career, job security, job prospect possibility, future remuneration, retirement benefits, and other employment opportunities. Definitely, as an employee, I would be looking for from my company. So definitely, as an internal user, as I am working in the company, I would be interested to know the financial health of my company for my future. Now, lenders. Well, lenders, definitely, if I am lending my money to someone, I would like to know whether that particular business would able to repay back my loan along with my principal and interest when it will become due. If I am lending to someone who is not capable of paying back, then definitely it will be a bad debt. I'm not going to get my money back. Suppliers and creditors, they are also interested to know the ability of the enterprise to pay their dues. Definitely, if the company is having a good financial health, definitely company would pay them back. Company is going to provide the services in a better way. Company is going to stand on the commitment which they have committed, if company is having a good financial position. Customers are also concerned with the stability and profitability of the enterprise, because their functioning is more or less dependent on the supply of goods. Yes, very true. Now, if I'm buying something, for example, I'm willing to take a mobile phone, and for example, I'm interested in buying Samsung mobile phone. So definitely Samsung, as I know, is a good brand, as a trusted brand, and they promises what they're willing to serve. They stand on their commitment. They have their own stability. It's a good company, so definitely I would be going for Samsung mobile if I would willing to buy a mobile phone. So definitely I would be purchasing goods or services from a trusted brand, from a promising place, from a enterprise who is having a good financial health, strong in the market. Government and their agencies, as an external user, they regulate the functioning of business enterprise for public good. Okay. Allocate scarce resources among competing enterprise, control prices. Well, if the company is not having a good financial position, definitely the government will not be getting any good sources of revenue under duties and taxes. So definitely government are also interested in the enterprise functioning. Public at large is interested in the functioning of enterprise because they make a substantial contribution to the local economy in terms of generating employment and local supplies. Management, most important, as an owner, as an senior management person, I would like to know how much sales, how much revenue we are earning, how much sales day by day we are increasing. Definitely I would like to see my organization growing higher and higher day by day. This would help me to make further managerial, to take further managerial decisions, to take strong decisions for the smooth running of the business on the basis of accounts. Important accounting information, I would take a better decision for my company, for the better prospects, better future of the company, so that it may earn good revenue, promises what the company says to the customers, and stand by to its commitments. I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Definitely. And if you want any particular video on any particular topic, you may let me know in the comment section. I will make it for you. So till then, keep watching. Our next topic would be limitations of accounting. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment as much as possible, so that it may reach to the maximum number of people. Press the bell icon for getting regular updates from our channel, because we post videos on a regular basis, that is daily basis. So thank you friends for your love and support. Please show your support and love always, so that we can grow together. Thank you.